finished up 4 full cars. They're over there hiding on the other side of the trailer. I welded up 2 more frames here. I'm gonna cut up the barrels and bolt them down to those frames. I don't have the right bolts, so I'm just gonna use 2 for each one that are slightly longer for now, and then I'll replace them when I get the right ones. They're 1 inch instead of 3/4. These are 5/16 bolts. But before I do that, I forgot that I have to make some more hitch pins. And I was making them with these little pieces of metal here. And I just weld a washer on, and then I welded one of these big block washers on just as the handle. But I don't really care for those. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to make loops. I got some, what is this, 3/16 smooth rod. And I'm going to try to curl it up into a coil, and then I'll cut loops out of it. So I'm going to set this down and see what I can come up with. I can slide that collar off there. You should just slide that off. It's just been on there a while. And then I'll take the handle out and I'll slide that off. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut that, and then slide the rest of this off, and I'll cut, I don't know, just it'll have to be shaped a little bit, but pretty close. Now I'll put my, what was a broken scooter and is now a coil former. Bunch of rings, and I will just smash them flat when I go to weld them on top. I'll set that up and I'll show you what I'm doing. Let's put all this together real quick now. Have 4 more pins. So I'm gonna go get some barrels and bring them up here, and I'll set this up on time lapse probably. Cut them open, and oh wait, I got to put the wheels on first. I'll get it all set up. I'll put it on time lapse, and I'll show you the rest of the process. What they look like now. There's still soapy stuff in them. These are from a car wash. That's what they said. And I'm gonna just hose them out. It's a lot easier when they have a giant hole in them. Yeah, okay. A lot easier when they have a giant hole in them to spray them out. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll set this back up here in a little bit. But we are well on our way to having carts 5 and 6 done today. Alright, we got these ones done. I'm short a few bolts, so these ones just held on by 2 bolts instead of 4, but we'll get there. The kids are hooking them up. I don't think you need the helmet, but okay. Are you going to hook it up to the end of the train?
Yeah.
Okay. Owen just hooked up number 5 there. We've got a bunch of volunteers.
One in the road.
And we're going to go for a ride here. Alrighty. No. Well, it looks like it was a smashing success. We just got back from touring around the neighborhood.
Yes.
Just 6 cars.
Alright.
It gets tight in the neighborhood, but
1, 2, 3,
we're gonna make some more.
4,
Hope we find some more open spaces to
6.
drive it at. But I'm gonna pick it up, clean up a little bit, and see if I can make some room in the backyard. keep it in for now. And that's all for tonight. See you next time.